Assessing vulnerabilities. Assessing vulnerabilities in a network or system is an essential step in ensuring the security and integrity of the network. By identifying and understanding vulnerabilities, organizations can take proactive measures to mitigate risks and prevent potential attacks. Here's a general framework for assessing vulnerabilities. In this lesson, we'll learn about 1. The types and uses of tools and methods to assess vulnerabilities. 2. The purpose of an independent third-party review of a system and network design. 3. The application and features of penetration testing. 1. Tools and methods for assessing vulnerabilities. There are several tools and methods available for assessing vulnerabilities in a network. These tools and methods help identify potential weaknesses and security flaws in network devices, systems, and applications. Here are some commonly used tools and methods. 1. Vulnerability scanners. Vulnerability scanning tools, such as Nessus, OpenVAS, and Qualys, automatically scan network devices and systems to identify known vulnerabilities. They compare the system's configuration and installed software against a database of known vulnerabilities and provide reports on the findings. 2. Penetration testing. Penetration testing, also known as ethical hacking, involves simulating real-world attacks to identify vulnerabilities. Skilled testers use various techniques and tools to exploit potential weaknesses in the network, applications, and systems. Popular penetration testing tools include Metasploit, Nmap, and Burp Suite. 3. Web application scanners. Web application scanners, like OWASP Zap and Acunetix, specifically focus on assessing vulnerabilities in web applications. They analyze web applications for common security flaws, including SQL injection, cross-site scripting, XSS, and insecure direct object references. 4. Network scanners. Network scanners, such as Nmap and Wireshark, help discover devices on a network and gather information about open ports, running services, and potential vulnerabilities. They can assist in identifying misconfigurations and weak points in network devices. 5. Configuration assessment tools. Configuration assessment tools like CSCAT, Microsoft Baseline Security Analyzer, MBSA, and OpenSCAP assess the security configurations of systems and compare them against industry best practices and security standards. These tools highlight deviations from recommended configurations and potential vulnerabilities introduced by misconfigurations. It's important to note that vulnerability assessment should be performed by trained professionals and with proper authorization to avoid any unauthorized activities or damage to systems. Additionally, a combination of automated tools, manual analysis, and human expertise is often the most effective approach to comprehensively assess vulnerabilities. 2. Third-party reviews of systems and network designs. Third-party reviews of systems and network designs can provide valuable insights and independent assessments of the security and effectiveness of the implemented infrastructure. These reviews are typically conducted by external organizations or consultants with expertise in the field. Here's an overview of the benefits and considerations when seeking third-party reviews. Benefits of third-party reviews. 1. Independent assessment. Third-party reviews offer an unbiased evaluation of your systems and network designs. They provide an objective perspective, free from internal biases or conflicts of interest. 2. Expertise and specialization. External reviewers often possess specialized knowledge and experience in network security and system design. They bring insights and best practices from working with a variety of organizations and industries. 3. Identification of weaknesses. Third-party reviews can uncover vulnerabilities, misconfigurations, and design flaws that might be overlooked by internal teams. They can help identify gaps in security controls, compliance issues, or other potential risks. 4. Compliance requirements. Many industries and regulatory frameworks require third-party assessments as part of compliance obligations. Engaging external reviewers can help ensure adherence to industry-specific regulations and standards. 5. Validation of best practices. Third-party reviews validate the adoption of security best practices and industry standards. This verification provides assurance to stakeholders that systems and network designs are aligned with recognized security principles. Overall, third-party reviews can contribute to strengthening the security of your system's network designs by leveraging external expertise, providing objective assessments, and ensuring compliance with industry standards and best practices. 3. Penetration testing. Penetration testing, also known as ethical hacking or pen testing, is a proactive security assessment technique that simulates real-world attacks on computer systems, networks, or applications. The goal of penetration testing is to identify vulnerabilities and weaknesses in order to improve the overall security posture. Here's an overview of the penetration testing process. 1. Planning and scope definition. Define the scope and objectives of the penetration test. Determine the target systems, network segments, or applications to be tested. Clearly define the rules of engagement, including what actions are permitted and any limitations or restrictions. 2. Information gathering. Collect as much information as possible about the target systems and applications. This includes network topology, IP addresses, software versions, and any other relevant details. This information helps the penetration tester understand the environment and identify potential attack vectors. 3. Vulnerability analysis. Conduct an analysis of the target systems and applications to identify known vulnerabilities. This can involve using automated vulnerability scanning tools, reviewing security configurations, and examining the results of previous vulnerability assessments. 4. Exploitation. Attempt to exploit identified vulnerabilities to gain unauthorized access or perform other malicious actions. This involves using various tools and techniques, such as exploiting software vulnerabilities, conducting social engineering attacks, or leveraging misconfigurations. Penetration testing provides valuable insights into the security of your systems and helps identify vulnerabilities before malicious actors can exploit them. It is an essential component of a comprehensive security strategy and helps organizations enhance their overall resilience to cyber threats.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.